Hello everyone. I want to guide all of you to use how to add content access code in your myelt because most of you send me the code but some of you know. That's why now I want you to do by yourselves because if I wait one by one I don't know once it finish it. That's why you can use by yourself. Okay, if you use iPhone or you use other smartphone, you can go to Safari or Google. Over here, yes, you type myelt over here, and then you click it. And what you have to do is you have to put your username, right? Okay, now I will do for vật Tấy. Okay, vật Tấy 11 and password 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, and everyone, when you type already, when you are here, what you have to do over here, you click over here, yes, and then you will see assignment and grade. What you have to click assignments, right, and then enter content access code. You just click it, and then you can see the code in your textbook. You can type here, right? A new one you can follow, even capital letter you can follow, right? Everything same. Okay, sorry. Okay, over here 3 5 6 5 3 J9 was W K J was 2 J C 5 8, and then you can go to save and go to step 3. Okay, and then what you have to do, submit, and then go to my Verling online over here. Okay, and then yes, I understand it. Start. Okay, start over here. Okay, here they just ask all of you to do, right? And you can practice. Yes, this is the way that you can practice by yourself. And yes, after that you can go to do the our homework. No, not here. Not here. Over here. So this. Okay, I think you can use it already over here. And after that you log out and try to log in again. Okay, vật Tấy allowance 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, over here, yes, click assignment, and she can use, right? She can use now. She can take and use, do the homework number 4 over here. then you can do, guys. Okay, thank you so much. Any question, let me know.